Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photo, and in today's video I will show you how to delete all photos in your Google Photo account on your devices. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and open up your Gmail app on your phone. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on storage right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on more details. Then here you go. You have Google Photos right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on clean up space. Then here you go. Scroll down right here and then go ahead and select Google Photos. Then here you go. You have all files, video, photos in your Google Photos right here. For you to delete them all, go ahead and click on Hold Down. Then select as many as possible that you want to delete right here. You can delete them all by selecting everything right here. Once you select everything, then go ahead and click on delete right here. Once you delete everything you have in this particular Google Photo right here, both photo and video, everything will be deleted from your Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photos, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.